In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome. If you want to personalize your Chrome profile and make it easier to recognize at a glance, changing your profile picture is a quick and simple process. This can be especially helpful if you use multiple Chrome profiles for work, personal browsing, or shared devices. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click, so you can update it without any confusion. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded so you can access the main menu and settings without interruption. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to a variety of browser options and settings. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page where you can manage things like your browser appearance, privacy options, synced data, and account information. After that, find and click You and Google. This section is where Chrome stores the settings related to your Google account, syncing, and personalized browser features. If your browser is connected to a Google account, this is the area you'll need for profile-related changes. Next, click Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings, where you can control your personal account details across Google services. Depending on your setup, this may open in a new tab. Once you're there, click your current profile picture. This is the section that allows you to update the image connected to your Google account. From here, you can either choose from available icons or upload a photo from your device. If you decide to upload a photo, choose an image that is clear and easy to recognize, especially if this profile is used often. After selecting your image or icon, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the change. Keep in mind that because this is tied to your Google account, the updated picture may also appear in other Google services where you're signed in. Sometimes the change happens right away, and other times it may take a moment to sync across Chrome and your account. And that's it. That's how to change your profile picture in Google Chrome. Once updated, your new image should help make your browser profile feel more personal and easier to identify.